I've been sitting with this question for a few days now. Why do we only gather around our children after they're gone or after they're facing life changing consequences? Why do we always seem to meet at funerals, the courthouse, or prisons? Maybe because we spend generations teaching our children how to survive in man made systems, but not enough time teaching them how to understand themselves. Think about it. A child entered this world connected to nature. They understand emotion, curiosity, instinct, community, observation. They ask questions, they explore, they seek balance. Then almost immediately we hand them over to systems, school systems, legal systems, economic systems, social media systems. These systems that teach them how to compete, how to obey, how to produce, how to consume, but not always how to regulate their emotions, how to resolve conflict, or how to know when their ego is leading them into danger. And then when something tragic happens, society acts so surprised. But how many of our children have been actually taught that not every challenge deserves a response? Not every insult deserves a fight. That the greatest form of strength is often self control. Nature already teaches this. Trees are not arguing with storms, rivers not arguing with mountains, the seasons don't rush. Nature survives because it understands balance. But man made system often rewards reaction over reflection, ego over wisdom, winning over understanding. Maybe what our children need isn't just more education, maybe more grounding, more conversations at home about emotional discipline, about peace, about knowing the difference between defending yourself or being pulled into somebody else's chaos. Because the truth is, we can't control every system our children will navigate, but we can teach them that before there was government, before there was courts, before there was institutions, there was universal principles: patience, restraint, awareness, cause and effect. If we spent as much time teaching those things as we do preparing them to fit into the world, we'll spend less time trying to save them from it. Maybe the real revolution isn't just changing the system. Maybe it's raising children who understand themselves deeply enough to not let the system define who they become.